What is SAP FICO, SAP FICO Tutorial, SAP FICO Career, SAP FICO Consultant Salary, SAP Finance Module explained. If you work in finance, as an accountant, financial analyst, or controller, and you've ever wondered how to dramatically increase your earning potential, this is the video for you. SAP FICO consultants are among the highest earning IT professionals in the world. Let me explain exactly what SAP FICO is, what the job involves, and how you get there. FICO stands for Financial Accounting and Controlling. FI, Financial Accounting, handles the external-facing financial processes, accounts payable, accounts receivable, general ledger, asset accounting, and bank accounting. CO, Controlling, handles internal management accounting, cost centers, profit centers, internal orders, and product costing. Together, they form the financial backbone of every SAP implementation worldwide. An SAP FICO consultant works with businesses to configure SAP so it reflects their financial processes accurately. They gather requirements from finance teams, map those requirements to SAP configuration, test the system, train end users, and support go-live implementations. It's a role that sits at the intersection of finance expertise and technology, and that combination is rare globally, which is why it pays so well. In the FI module, General Ledger Accounting tracks all financial transactions. Accounts Payable manages supplier invoices and payments. Accounts Receivable handles customer invoices and collections. Asset Accounting manages fixed assets. In the CO module, Cost Center Accounting tracks costs by department. Profit Center Accounting measures profitability by business unit. Internal orders capture project costs. Product costing calculates manufacturing costs. SAP FICO consultants command premium compensation at every level globally. Junior consultants, mid-level specialists, and senior architects all earn significantly above average IT salaries in every major job market. The SAP S/4HANA migration wave, with the 2027 deadline, means FICO demand is accelerating sharply right now across all continents. If you're a qualified accountant, management accountant, financial controller, or finance analyst, you already have half the knowledge needed. The SAP configuration layer is what you add on top of your existing finance expertise. This makes SAP FICO one of the most natural and high-value transitions available to finance professionals anywhere in the world. A comprehensive SAP FICO training course, like those offered by Uplatz, covers the full module with hands-on system access. From there, you build experience on real projects. Most people go from training to their first SAP role in 3 to 6 months. If you work in finance and want a career transformation, SAP FICO is one of the clearest paths available globally. Visit Uplatz.com to explore our SAP FICO course, with hands-on SAP system access, expert instruction, and lifetime access. Subscribe for more SAP career content every week.